Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am just sitting down for a quick get ready with me. I have a professional development who's headed back to school, been out for 2 weeks, and now it's time to go back. And well, the kids won't be there. We're actually going for a little training, and I just want to do a quick little work beat to go to this. So hopefully this doesn't take that long. Alright guys, so I usually don't wear eyeshadow whenever I'm doing my work look, but today, and since I've gotten my new palette, and if you guys hadn't seen previous videos, I did come out with a new eyeshadow palette. It's called Born Beautiful Cosmetics, Fearfully and Wonderfully Made. This is what the palette looks like right here. And if you guys are interested in purchasing, it is $30 at bornbeautifulcosmetics.com, and I will put the link down below so that if you guys do want to support Born Beautiful Cosmetics, and I would really appreciate it, you can go there and make your purchase. And so since today is just a work look, I'm just going to go with a one shadow look. I'm going to use Empress right here, which is a matte, like rust looking color that's not too dramatic, and I'm just going to sweep it over my lid and into my crease, just like this. Tap it a little bit just to throw a little bit of color in there, you know, not much, just a little color. Just like that. And it's some really beautiful colors in this palette. I'm not just saying it because it's mine. It is it's a very beautiful palette. And if you're a girl who loves colors, but you can, like I'm doing right now, you can turn it into like a simple look. But if you want the drama, we definitely have the drama in this palette also. And I'm going to be coming on here and creating more looks with my palette. And I have posted a few on Instagram. If you're not following us on Instagram, I'll put that link down below. But it's also at Born Beautiful Cosmetics also. So, and I'm just going with something simple like this. And you could make this, you know, as dramatic as you would like by adding other colors, but this is just a work look for me, so this is all I am going to do. Next, I'm going to come in with my liner, and today I'm just going to be using my e.l.f. liner in Jet Black, and we're going to do a simple line because this is a simple face. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Very simple matte look. I decided to go with a glossy lip. It's my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Creme Brulee. Very, very simple. Ardell eyelashes. I think these are Lula's, and they have quickly become one of my favorite lashes. They're very full, very wispy, and I really like them. The foundation that I used today was my, what did I use? I used my Clinique Stay Matte. This is like one of my favorite foundations, especially for everyday coverage. And I used the Revolution C13 concealer, and I really love this concealer. If you haven't tried it, go try it. It's only like $8 per little tube, and it really reminds me of the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, but that's like $30, and I really do like that. But this one definitely compares, and I like it. But again, this is a quick work beat. I usually wouldn't wear lashes or put on any shadows, but I am going very hard for my company Born Beautiful Cosmetics, like I spoke of before. If you guys have not checked us out, go check us out at bornbeautifulcosmetics.com. I'm going to leave the link down below. And if you're not following us on Instagram, please do that also. All right, guys, this is Yobi One, and I'm out.